Right, this is paper 3, and we're going to have the calculator up again. Here we go. Right, so question 1. Circle the inequalities shown by the diagram. So the first thing we need to know is the little circles without being filled in are less than or greater than, and the ones that are filled in here, these are less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. So this is representing something which is greater than -4 but less than or equal to 5. So there's less than or equal to 5, that one is less than or equal to 5, and this one's less than or equal to 5. And it's going from -4 but not including 4, so we can't have an equal sign here. Notice that this one's got an equal sign on, so this one's no good. This one is the correct one. So it doesn't include -4 because there's no equal sign there, but it does include 5, so there is an equal sign in this. Question 2. Y is 100% more than x. Circle the ratio x to y. So y is 100% more than x. So we've got a ratio of x over y. And we know y is 100% more. Now 100% more is double. So y is doubled. So if we've got 2x, so y is double, so x over 2y, then we can see that the ratio is in 1 to 2. 2 is on the denominator. The first 4 terms of a sequence are -10, -8, -6, -4. So what do we need to do? We need to have a look at the first difference here, -10 to -8. It's increasing from -10 to -8, so the common difference is 2. It is a common difference, so it's a linear sequence. And remember, for a linear sequence, the nth term is an plus b. This an is the first difference, and this b here is the 0th term. And the 0th term is the one that goes before the first one, which would be there. Now what would go there? Well, this is coming down, going in this direction, down in 2s. -6 is -8, -8 is -10, -10 would be -12, the next one. So the first difference is 2, so it's 2n and -12. So there's your answer there. Simplify. So remember when we square brackets, I really do hope none of you have written x squared -64. So let's go follow them out. X squared, x times -8 is -8x, and another -8x here, and -8 times -8 is +64. And now we gather the x's together. Remember, a quick way I told you about doing that is square the first, x squared, double the product of 8 and x, so that's 16x, 8 times x is 8x, double that 16x, and then subtracting it because of this minus sign here, -16x, and and then square the last, square of 8, 64, or square of -8 actually is -8 times -8, which is +64. So that's how I was at x squared -16x +64. Question 6. Show that 268 can be written as the sum, so we've got a sum, there's our sum, of a power of 3, alright, so we've got the power of 3 to the something, and some sort of square number. Okay, so we need to try and find x's and y's of 268. Alright, so what fits that? Well, we could do this by trying and error. So let's have a look at our powers of 3. Let's try, if we tried 3 to the power 3, we'd get 27. 3 to the power 3, yeah, it's 27. So if we try and add that, what do we need left over? So we've got 268, minus 27. That's 241. Is that a square number? So let's square root 241. No, it isn't. So that's no good. So we can't use 3 squared. 3 cubed, sorry. Let's try 3 to the power 4. What's 3 to the 4? Well, that's 3 squared times 3 squared, which is 81. If I subtract 81 from 268, 268 minus 81, get 187. Is that a square number? Square root. Answer? No, it isn't. So that's no good. Let's try 3 to the 5. So 3 to the power 5 is 243. If I subtract that from 268, 268 minus 243, I get 25, and 25 is a square number. So 3 to the 5 plus 25, which is 5 squared, is 268. This is a power of 3. This is a square number. Question 7. Here is some information about the times taken by 40 students, 40 people to fill in the form. So this would add up to 40. In which class interval is the median? Right, okay, where is the median? The median, which is Q2, remember, same thing, Q2, which is a median. What's the formula for it? It's the n plus 1 over 2th value. Remember that. And what's n? N is 40, so it's 41 over 2, 2th value, which is the 20.5th value. Now, where does the 20.5th value go? Well, we need the cumulative frequency here. 3, add the 9 is 12, add the 11, 23, add the 17 is 40. Where's the 20.5th value? It fits inside here. We go along and take the larger here, so it fits in the 10 to 15 class.